Good afternoon, students. I am teacher Yuna and I believe you all are doing well. So today's information technology lesson is chapter 3, uses of a computer. Before starting the lesson, let's revise our previous chapter about computer and its parts. Okay? And we also learned that machine is a man-made thing, right? It is very important in our life. It helps us to make our life easier and faster, right? It saves a lot of time. Let's say if we are busy doing something or we have a lot of works to do, then we can make our work easier and faster or finish faster by the help of a machine, right? And there are, let's say for example, if you wanna travel to some other place, if you wanna go to another place, right, then you can go by bike. Or if you want to wash your clothes, then there is a washing machine for you, right? It will save your time and energy as well. So there are so many different machines. Do you remember what are the examples of machines? Yes, television, fridge or refrigerator, right? Scissor, clock, bike, oven, microwave, etc. So similarly, computer is also a machine, right? It is a smart and electronic machine, and it is very useful in our life, right? So why is it called a smart machine? Do you remember? Yes, it is called a smart machine because when we talk about some other machines, other different machines like scissor or washing machine or bike, they do only single task, right? Only one task. But whereas this computer, it does multiple tasks, right? It performs multiple tasks. It is capable of doing a lot of tasks. So computer is our friend and it is a smart machine as well, right? So why is it our friend? It is our friend because we can do a lot of things in a computer, right? Like we can write letters, play games, we can solve sums, we can do teaching, right? We can watch movies and cartoons, etc., right? So now let's talk about some parts of the computer. Do you all remember the main parts of the computer? As we can see in the picture, there is a monitor, right? It is a monitor. This is a CPU and this is a keyboard and it's a mouse. So these four are the main parts of the computer. And what are other parts? Other helping parts are printer, scanner, speakers, microphone, modem, UPS, right? And what are the storage devices? They are pen drives, CDs and DVDs. So today we are going to learn uses of a computer, right? So what are the uses of computer? Now let's read, alright? See, as we can see in the picture, in the whiteboard, see, writing letters, stories and poems, right? Computer is used for writing letters, stories and poems, playing games, listening music, watching movies or cartoons, doing calculations, draw pictures and coloring, teaching. It is used for sending and receiving mails, booking tickets, right? And many more. So now please turn the page number 17. We are going to read uses of computer. Computers are used for writing letters, stories and poems, right? See, there is a boy who is typing on keyboard, right? And he's typing some, it might be some letter or stories, it might be poems as well, right? So it can be those letters or stories or poems, it is being displayed on this monitor, right? So computer can be used for writing letters or stories or poems, right? And we can see here computers are used for playing games. So we can play games on computer as well, right? We don't have to go outside, especially in this lockdown period, right? So we can play different games like Candy Crush. See, we can see a Candy Crush, right? And car races, or Ludo, or chess, or some other games, right? There are so many games. So we can play games on the computer. We won't feel bored as well, right? Computers are used for listening to music, watching movies, and making animated films. So we can see in this picture, we can play music, right? We can listen to the music or songs, right? We can watch different movies, and everyone loves to watch cartoon, right? So we can watch cartoons as well on the computer. And we don't even need television, right? We don't even need TV. When we have a computer, we can watch everything on computer. Computers, like calculators, are used for doing calculations. So we can calculate many problems, right? We can solve the sums, right? We can calculate everything, many large numbers, or it might be small numbers as well. So we can calculate on a computer, right? We have a calculator on a computer. Computers help you draw beautiful pictures and color them too, right? So we can see a girl over here in this picture. She is drawing, and she has already drawn actually, right? Now she is coloring them, right? Coloring the picture. So we can draw beautiful pictures, right? And we can color them as well on a computer. Computer helps in schools as well, right? We can do anything on computer at our home as well, and we can computer helps on in the schools as well, right? We have computers at our school. So computers are used for teaching. See, there is a teacher, he is teaching on the computer, right? So we can teach through the computer as well, all right? So let's say now this is a lockdown period, right? Most of the teachers, we are conducting classes online, right? We can learn through internet and a computer, okay? Computers are used for keeping records of library books and preparing notes, worksheets, and reports. So computer is helping to maintain or keep the records of the library books, right? So when we issue or take any books from the library, the librarian, or we can say the library staff, keeps the record of every student, right? So he or she keep the record of every student on the computer, so that it makes their work easier, all right? And computer is helping the teachers to make the students report card as well, right? Both teachers and students can prepare notes and worksheets on the computer, okay? So like this, the computer is helping in schools as well, okay? Computer helps in hospitals as well. See, computers are used for keeping records of patients, right? So have you ever gone to hospital? Obviously yes, right? So in hospitals there are so many patients, right? So all these records of the patients are stored on the computer, okay? And computer is used to keep record of patients, like also what disease are these patients suffering from, or the prescribed medicines by the doctors. These all records are here in computer, all right? Computers are used to diagnose illness as well, right? It helps to diagnose the illness as well. Now where else computer is used? Computer is used at railway stations and airports as well, okay? Computers are used for keeping records for arrival and departure timings. See, so whenever you go to some airport, right, or you can say some railway stations, then if you want to travel from one place to another place, you need to book a ticket, right? You have to book a ticket to travel from one place to another place, right? So you have to go to the railway station or airports and you have to book the ticket, right? So all these things are stored in a computer, right? And we keep the records of arrival and departure timings of the people, all right, on the computer. So computers are used for booking tickets when we want to travel, right? So as I've already said, if you want to travel from one place to another place by rails or metros or airports, then we have to book a ticket, right? So for that we have to book tickets, and booking tickets, computer helps in booking tickets as well. Okay, so let's see now. Computer helps in banks as well. Okay, computers are used for managing customers' accounts. Computers are used to withdraw money from ATMs. We have different bank accounts in different banks, right? We do a lot of transactions through our bank account. We have saved a lot of money in our bank, right? So all these details are maintained on computer in a bank, all right? So whoever wants to make a new bank account, the customers' accounts are managed on computers in the bank, all right? And if we don't feel like going to the bank, we can just go to the ATM and we can withdraw the money as well. See, we can see in the picture, this is a withdraw machine, right? There is a computer, right? We can withdraw money from the ATM as well. We don't have to go to the bank. So computer helps in offices as well, okay, in different offices or companies as well. See, computers are used for sending and receiving mails, right? We can send and receive mails through computer. We can also use different apps like WhatsApp or Facebook or anything through internet on the computer, right? So computers are used for keeping records of employees, right? So whoever the staff is or whoever the people are working in a company or a office, these are called employees, right? So all the records of the employees are kept or maintained on the computer, all right? So computer helps in shops as well, right? See, computers are used for calculating bills. Computers are used for keeping records of goods. So whatever we buy from any shop, right, the shopkeeper gives us the bills, right, after we pay the money. So to calculate the bills, right, for the calculations, the computer is used, okay? And to keep the record of goods or other things, computer is used, okay? Now we all know the uses of computer, right? So it helps us in different ways, right? It helps to make our work easier and faster, right? It saves a lot of time, right? And it never gets tired, as it is a man-made machine and it is a smart machine, right? It works on electricity. So computer helps us at home, right? And it helps us at schools. Computer also help in hospitals. Computer help at railway stations and airports as well, and in the banks, right? And different offices or companies, right? And also in the shops. So now we know the uses of computer, right? So thank you, class.